Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching the mouse and the lion story. Very nice story. So for class 1 English part 1 chapter 16. So let us have the introduction of the story, The Mouse and the Lion. It is a very good story, children. So, once there lived a tiny mouse named Minchu. The mouse was named as Minchu. So, its name is Minchu now. See, this is a mouse. Minchu lived in a dense forest. Dense forest means very thick forest. So many trees. Okay, so the mouse lived in a dense forest. Okay, so he used to roam here and there in the forest. I think you can also see mouse will be roaming always here and there. So this Minchu was also roaming here and there in the forest. Understood? So the mouse was named as Minchu and he lived in a very dense forest and he used to roam here and there in the forest. Okay. So this is a dense forest. See, so many trees, very thick trees, isn't it? So it is called dense forest. Okay. So a little away from Minchu's hole lived a lion in his den. See, children, always mouse live in hole, small holes. So in that forest there was a hole where Minchus lived, and also a little away, like little far away from Minchu's hole, mouse hole, there was a lion's den. Okay, so there lived a lion in his den. Okay, so what happens now? See this picture, you can guess now. What happened? Most of the time the lion used to sleep in his den. Always the lion used to sleep in his den. Den means cave. You know, no? Lion's house is den. So it used to sleep in his den. So other animals tried to avoid the place because other animals scared of this lion and they used to avoid the place and stay away from this den. But what happened? Mouse one day while playing, unknowingly the mouse disturbed him. You saw in that picture, no? The lion was sleeping but the mouse Minchu disturbed lion's sleep. Okay. So see, lion is sleeping but the mouse is disturbing the lion here. So what happens next? I'll tell you in next part. Okay. So what happens? You please wait and watch what happens in the part 2. Okay. So now let's see the meanings. Tiny means extremely small. Mouse will be always small compared to other animals. Okay. So roam means going here and there. As I told you, roaming means he will be walking here and there. Okay. So summary, we had the introduction of the lion. Minchu means mouse, tiny mouse, and also I gave you some of the meanings with explanation, and also I showed you some pictures. Okay, children. So now we have questions section. Where did Minchu live? Second question, dash used to roam here and there in the forest. Third question, other dash tried to avoid the place. Fourth question, the dash used to sleep in his den. Fifth question, the dash disturbed the lion. Understood, children? I hope you all understood this part. Write down all these questions in your classwork. Find out the answers in this video and write down. Keep practicing, children. Okay? Thank you.